Changing your name in Gmail is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're done with that, I want you to click on this icon at the far end. That's your display image for your Google account. Once you click on it, you're going to click on Manage Google Account. Now on the Manage Google Account, we're going to come to Personal Info. On the Personal Info, on the section that says Name, we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on Name again. And here we can change the name of our Google account to any other name that we want. And if you like, you can change it back to what it was before. And then you click on Save. And that's how you change your name in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.